Hey guys, welcome to Civil Engineers. In this video, I am going to teach you how to calculate quantity of cement, sand, coarse aggregate and water in M20 grade of concrete. So let's get started. Grade of concrete is M20. Here M stands for mixed proportion, that is 1:1.5:3. Here 1 is cement, 1.5 is sand and 3 is coarse aggregate. Assume volume of concrete as 1 meter cube. Wet volume of concrete equals to 1 cubic meter. What is wet volume? Wet volume is nothing but the volume of the concrete after mixing with water. To calculate the quantity of dry material, we must know the dry volume of the concrete. Dry volume of the concrete can be calculated by this formula, that is dry volume equals to wet volume multiplied by 1.54. Here 1.54 is dry factor, which is also known as multiplication factor. It is standard practice to take 1.54, but you can also take this value as 1.50 to 1.55, that is 1.50, 1.51, 1.52, 1.53, 1.54, 1.55. You can take anything. Therefore, dry volume of the concrete equals to 1 multiplied by 1.54, which is equals to 1.54. Here 1 is wet volume of the concrete. To calculate the quantity of cement, you need to remember a simple formula, that is quantity of cement equals to dry volume of the concrete multiplied by cement ratio divided by sum of the ratios of material. Quantity of cement equals to 1.54 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, which is equals to 0.28. Here 1.54 is dry volume of the concrete and 1 is cement ratio. 1.5 is sand ratio and 3 is coarse aggregate ratio. In the market, generally cement is available in the form of bags. So let's convert the volume of concrete into number of bags. To calculate the number of bags, we must know the weight of the cement. That can be calculated by this formula. That is weight of cement equals to density multiplied by volume. Therefore, weight of cement equals to 1440 multiplied by 0.28. Here 1440 is density of cement. Multiply these two values, then you will get it as 403.2 kg of cement. To calculate the number of bags, we have to use this formula, that is number of bags equals to weight of cement divided by weight of one bag. We know that one bag of cement contains 50 kg of cement. So divide 403.2 with 50 kg, then you will get the number of bags. That is number of bag equals to 403.2 divided by 50, which is approximately equals to 8 numbers. Quantity of sand equals to quantity of cement multiplied by 1.5. We know that quantity of cement is 0.28. Multiply 0.28 with 1.5, then you will get the quantity of sand, which is equals to 0.42 cubic meter. Now we have quantity of sand in terms of cubic meter, but in some areas sand is measured in terms of cubic foot. So let's convert this cubic meter value into cubic foot. Since we know that 1 meter cube equals to 35.3147 cubic foot, that is CFT. If you multiply 0.42 with 35.3147, then you will get the quantity of sand in CFT, which is equals to 14.832 CFT. In some areas, quantity of sand is measured in terms of tons. So to calculate the weight of sand, we must know the density of sand. Multiply volume of sand with density, then you will get the weight of sand. That is 0.42 multiplied by 1600, which is equals to 672 kg. And if you divide it by 1000, then you will get the weight in terms of tons. That is 0.672 tons. Since cement and coarse aggregate are in the ratio of 1:3, therefore quantity of coarse aggregate equals to quantity of cement multiplied by 3. Quantity of cement is 0.28, and if you multiply this value with 3, then you will get the quantity of coarse aggregate. which is equals to 0.84 cubic meter. Multiply 0.84 with 35.3147, then you'll get the quantity of coarse aggregate in CFT, which is equals to 29.664 CFT. To calculate the weight of coarse aggregate, we must know the density of coarse aggregate. I am considering density of coarse aggregate as 1520 kg per cubic meter. Therefore, weight of coarse aggregate equals to 0. That is volume of the coarse aggregate multiplied by 1520, which is equals to 1276.8 kg. If we divide it by 1000, then you will get weight of coarse aggregate in terms of tons, that is 1.28 tons approximately. Now let's calculate the quantity of water. I am assuming water cement ratio as 0.55. To get the quantity of water, you have to multiply 0.55 with quantity of cement, that is 403.2 multiplied by 0.55, which is equals to 221.75 kg, or you can say liters of water. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. You can also learn a lot of things about civil engineering by visiting my website, that is vcivilengineering.blog. Thank you. Stay tuned.